Good morning, this is Liz and we're in the kitchen at Long Shadows Homestead. Today we're making delicious banana bread. I've been making this recipe for over 20 years and it's a family favourite. So let's get into it. So a couple of things before we start to go in. We've got the butter at room temperature and we've got the eggs fresh from our beautiful chickens at room temperature also. So the first thing we need to do is preheat the oven at 160 degrees Celsius and line our 26 by 13 loaf pan with a lovely generous application of grease or butter and sugar. Now the reason I use sugar is that it creates a beautiful crusty outer layer to the cake, making it even more delicious than what we're going to be doing in the recipe. So let's go. Ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need
125 grams of softened butter, 1 cup of firmly packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs that I prepared earlier from my beautiful chicken, 1.5 cups of mashed banana, which we'll get to that in a moment, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1 2/3 cups or 250 grams of plain all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate soda or baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt flakes. And of course, 1/2 cup or 25 grams of coarsely chopped roasted walnuts.
Okay, first up we're going to be beating the room temperature butter and the firmly packed brown sugar until it's lovely and amalgamated. And once that butter has melted into that sugar, it will take a little while, probably about 5-6 minutes. We're going to then add a teaspoon of the natural vanilla extract. As usual, I like to get every drop. Okay, I'm going to beat the eggs in, one at a time. Okay, so we're going to mash this banana, and you should use very ripe bananas. I'm using 2 here, straight from my banana patch. So it had gone overripe, so I thought I'd use that. And the overripe ones are the best ones to use when making a banana bread. So that's lovely and mashed, and that can go straight into the recipe. Fold in the banana and the 1/4 cup of the maple syrup. Now I'm going to take the bowl off the beater and I'm going to use a spatula for folding in the dry ingredients. So we've got 1 3/4 cups of flour. I'm going to mix the other dry ingredients into here. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So we'll just and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon measured with your heart. This flour has been sifted. Just mix all those other ingredients together and we're going to fold these dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. A little bit at a time. You want a lovely doughy consistency. And when that's incorporated, the remaining flour and fold in. scraping down the side of the bowl so that you don't miss. You can still see there's some dry ingredients right down the bottom. I think that's it now. We don't want to over mix. I think that's mixing enough. Even I haven't even crushed this. I love whole pieces of walnuts in my banana bread. So I'll just put them in whole. You can crush them or halve them, however you like. Okay, so once we have that prepared and ready, we're going to pour that into our pre-lined baking tray. I'm going to grab every last morsel. Okay. We're now ready to pop this deliciousness in the oven. The oven's set at 160 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Let's do this.